Hello! So I am going to make some ranch salad dressing. So as many of you know, I have a dairy allergy. So I can't use traditional ranch. So I discovered a recipe and then I kind of give it a few tweaks just to make it my own. So I'm starting out with some keto mayo. And this stuff is fabulous. It's coconut oil, contains MCT oil, frozen egg yolk, water, vinegar, salt, mustard, and organic rosemary extract. So no dairy. So anyone who knows Epicure's roasted garlic knows that this packs a punch. So if you're comparing to the stuff that you're getting in the grocery store, do not use as much of this because there's no fillers, so the flavor is just so full. So, and also, I'm not a big fan of garlic, as many of you know, so I'm not going to follow my original recipe because I found it just had a bit too much garlic for me. But if you're somebody who likes garlic, then add a little bit more. So I'm only going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic. And my original one, I had 1/4 teaspoon. So here I have the 4-in-1 spoon, tablespoon, teaspoon, half teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. So no rummaging around the drawers trying to find the different sizes. This recipe also calls for 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. I don't have any here at home, so I'm just waiting for hubby to bring some. So I'll add that in afterwards. So you will need the 2 teaspoons of dried parsley to add in. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Epicure's toasted onion. And another wonderful thing about these is these spoons fit right down in these jars. So 1 teaspoon of the toasted onion. And then a teaspoon of lemon dilly. And it's a half teaspoon of salt. So I have my lid on here, so I just flip it upside down and grind into the little bowl. And I don't know, I've just somehow managed to do this enough that I actually get it right. I don't know. It's just a little magic or some little skill that I have gained. So, as I say, cup of mayonnaise. You can use Hellmann's or the keto, or if you're vegan, use Vegenaise. 1/8 of a teaspoon of the roasted garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, a teaspoon of toasted onion, 1 teaspoon of lemon dilly, a half teaspoon of salt. I use Himalayan because it has the 84 trace minerals in it. So, of course, I do have Epicure's salt grinder, which comes with sea salt in it, and then I went and added Himalayan to it. That's what I had on hand, so. So now I need a tablespoon of lemon juice. So here I have Epicure's Citrus Press. This took some figuring out. So thanks to my sister, she is a genius. She showed me how to use this lovely little device. So you can use it for any small citrus, limes, lemons. So my lemons are kind of small today, so I'm actually going to place them in the lime hole. So you want to take the cut side and place it down. And the reason for that are the holes are on the bottom. And there you have it. It squeezes out all that goodness. And it also, if there's any seeds in the lemon, it keeps them contained in here. So now, I would probably normally, if I wasn't doing this video, I would just dump the whole thing in. But for those who like following exact recipes, it's 1 tablespoon. There's a little tiny bit that's left, so as I say, I'm just going to add that in. Nothing wrong with a bit of extra lemon. And then I stir it. Once hubby gets home, I'll add that 2 teaspoons of parsley, and then we have some dairy-free ranch salad dressing. Hope you enjoyed.